I like to take my daughters fishing because it's a positive outlet, a chance to be able to get out and get some fresh air, get exercise. I think it's just quality time that gets to be spent away from technology, away from distractions. It's just us right there in the moment, being able to be a teacher as a father, and at the same time, them being able to be in a space to learn something different than what they're used to.
Otoe, Shannon Andrews and Gunke. I'm a dietitian and nutrition coordinator for the Otoe-Missouria Tribe Health Department. Through our continued collaboration with Oklahoma Tribal Engagement Partners, we'll be bringing you the Not Our Destiny recipe series. Follow along as we show you how to make easy and healthy recipes the whole family will enjoy. Remember to complete a survey to receive an incentive. Hinwa Rujay Ta, Toragun.
Today we are making Three Sisters Stir Fry. For this recipe you will need 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, half of a small red onion chopped, 1 large green bell pepper chopped, 1 small yellow squash chopped, a 15-ounce can of corn rinsed and drained, 1 cup of green peas frozen, half a tablespoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper. This is optional. If you prefer less heat, leave it out. Start by heating vegetable oil in the skillet over medium-high heat. Add onion and bell pepper to the skillet. Mix and cook until tender, about 5 to 7 minutes. Any type of onion could be used: red, white, yellow, green, or wild. Add squash and corn to skillet. Mix and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. The Otoe word for squash is wadwa inge. Traditionally, squash has had many uses for Native Americans and is found in many dishes that are still made today. Along with corn and beans, squash is commonly referred to as the Three Sisters. Each is planted at a certain time and near each other to build off one another for best growth. For this recipe, we are using summer squash, which can be harvested in the spring and summer and is often preserved to last through the winter months. Summer squash is low in calories and is an excellent source of vitamin C and fiber. Add green peas, garlic powder, and crushed red pepper to the skillet. Mix and cook for 1 to 2 more minutes until peas are heated through. Change it up. More vegetables could be added. Try tomatoes, either canned or fresh. Lean beef, venison, turkey, or chicken can be added. This dish could be served over wild or brown rice. Serve warm. Add salt and pepper to taste. This dish makes 4 servings. 1 serving is 1 1/3 cups. Enjoy!